Welcome to this video lecture series on transportation engineering. In this session, we shall discuss on bitumen and the types of bitumen. Bitumen is a complex organic material and it occurs either naturally or it may be obtained artificially during the distillation of the petroleum. And it is found in the gaseous, liquid, semi-solid or the solid form, and it is completely soluble in carbon disulfide and in carbon tetrachloride. These bituminous materials, they are very commonly used in the highway construction because of their binding and waterproofing properties. Now when the bitumen, it contains some inert materials or minerals, then it is called as the asphalt, and asphalt is found as the deposits in the form of natural asphalt or the rock asphalt. Whereas tars, they are the residues, or it is a viscous liquid obtained when the natural organic material such as the wood or coal is carbonized destructively in the absence of air. Now the different forms of bitumen. First is cutback bitumen. Cutback bitumen is defined as a bitumen the viscosity of which has been reduced by a volatile diluent. For its use in the surface dressing, some type of bitumen, macadam, and soil stabilization. Hence, in order to increase the fluidity of the bituminous binder at a lower temperature, the binder is blended with the volatile solvent. After the cutback is mixed, it is used in the construction work. This volatile liquid, it gets evaporated and it develops the binding properties. The viscosity of the cutback, it depends upon the percentage of the bitumen and the volatile oil. The cutbacks, there are of three types. First is the rapid curing, abbreviated as RC. Second is the medium curing, as abbreviated as MC. And third is the slow curing, that is SC. Next is the bitumen emulsion. Bitumen emulsion is a liquid product in which a substantial amount of bitumen is suspended in a finely divided condition in an aqueous medium, and it is stabilized by the means of one or more suitable oils. It is a mixture of the two immiscible liquids and emulsifying agent such as a soap or a resin, and they are used in the bituminous road construction, especially in the maintenance and the patch repair works. The main advantage of the bituminous emulsion is that it can be used in the wet weather even when it is raining. The types of bituminous emulsions are: first, rapid setting, RS. Second is the medium setting, that is MS, which is used for the plant mix with the cold aggregates. And third is the slow setting, SS, which is used for the fine aggregate mixes, basically in the sand, as in case of the construction of roads in the desert areas. Next is the bituminous primers. The bituminous primer, it is a distillate which is absorbed by the road surface on which it has to be sprayed, and hence as it has to be sprayed, the absorption, it will depend upon the porosity of the surface on which the bituminous primer, it has to be sprayed. They are useful on the stabilized surfaces and the waterborne macadam, and also in the base courses of the road construction. The bituminous primers, they are prepared on the roadsides by mixing penetration bitumen with the petroleum distillate. Next, we shall discuss regarding the modified bitumens. Now, with the new methodologies of the road construction, there was a need to add certain additives or to blend of these additives which will be called as a bitumen modifiers in order to improve the properties of the bitumen and the bituminous mixes. The bitumen which is treated with these modifiers are known as the modified bitumen. Certain examples of the modified bitumens are the polymer modified bitumen, which is abbreviated as PMB, and the crumbed rubber modified bitumen, that is CRMB, and which is generally used or basically specifically used in the varying course depending upon the requirement of the extreme climatic conditions. First, we shall discuss on the crumbed rubber modified bitumen. It is a hydrocarbon binder which will be obtained through the physical and chemical interaction of the crumbed rubber with the bitumen and with addition of certain specific additives. It is basically obtained by the recycling of the used tires, and the manufacturing process of CRMB is basically easy to handle and it gives an excellent and enhanced performance. CRMB is basically used in the making of the railways. Next, we shall discuss on the polymer modified bitumen. The polymer modified bitumen is a specially designed and engineered bitumen when the polymer is added into the normal bitumen. So here the polymerization, it basically takes place by addition of a polymer into the bitumen. Then this bitumen, it becomes polymer modified bitumen, which will provide an extra strength, high cohesiveness and resistance to fatigue, the stripping and deformation in the road pavements. It is a most favorable material which will be used for the construction of the infrastructure. Now, when the polymer is added into the regular bitumen, it becomes more elastomeric. That means it actually provides the additional elasticity to the bitumen, thus making the bitumen more flexible to sustain the loadings on it. So the properties of the polymer modified bitumen. As the polymerization, it takes place and it enhances the elastomeric property of the bitumen. Hence, the bitumen, it becomes highly rigid. It has a higher and increased resistance to the deformation, and also the resistance to higher and increased resistance to cracking and the stripping action. The PMB also enhances the water resistance properties of the bitumen, and which makes it highly durable. It has high cohesiveness and resistance to fatigue. Uses of polymer modified bitumen. The polymer modified bitumen is used in the construction of the pavements, roads or heavy duty traffic roads and home roofing solutions in order to resist the extreme weathering conditions. And it is specially used for the development of the stressed pavements. That means wherever there is the high loading of the traffic, whereas the strata available beneath is weak in this condition, in order to resist the amount of loadings as well as the fatigue, and in order to provide better waterproofing quality, polymer modified bitumen, it can be used. It is also used for the road subjected to the high and heavy traffics and in the areas where there is high flooding. Polymer modified bitumen is also very useful in the high temperature amplitudes in the areas like Rajasthan, and it is used in order to have the more durable pavement with the draining and better draining pavements. So the advantage of the polymer modified bitumen, first, it will give us the good storage stability, and it has an excellent aging resistance. It has a strong adhesion with the aggregates, and it has high stiffness at the high temperature. It has an enhancing property and stability for reducing the cost, an ability of reducing the cost. Whereas the disadvantages of the polymer modified bitumens are, as the polymers will improve the bitumen properties to a certain extent, but still these drawbacks, they will limit the future development of the bitumen polymer modification, in respect of that it will the owner will have to bear certain high cost for this polymerization of the bitumen, and it has a low aging resistance. Whereas the poor storage stability of the polymer modified bitumen adds to the disadvantage of the use of the polymer modified bitumen. Next is the foamed bitumen. Now, foamed bitumen is a type of bitumen which will be obtained when a small amount of water it will be added to the hot bitumen, which will be approximately 2 to 3% by the weight of the bitumen. Now, as this water is injected into the hot bitumen, the water it starts to evaporate abruptly, which will cause the foaming action into the bitumen, and this foaming action of the bitumen will actually expand the total volume of the bitumen by 20 to 30 times as compared to its original volume. The bound bituminous material which accumulates during the rehabilitation and the reconstruction of the roads, which is being reused frequently, and this process can be done in the cold mixing plants by adding the mild asphalt material to a new aggregate mix and directly on the site using a suitable cold recycling machinery. Hence, in order to do so, the foamed bitumen as a binding agent for the process was recently generated. The foamed bitumen is used as an innovative binder for the cold recycling in situ and on the plants, and it has a storage capability up to 3 months, and it is used in the rehabilitation and new construction of the road pavements. In the next figure, we shall see the actual construction or manufacturing procedure of the foamed bitumen. As you can see, we have the hot bitumen which enters from the top, whereas the cold water it is been injected into this heated bitumen. When this water it is been injected into the heated bitumen, the volume of the bitumen it increases 20 to 30 times, and hence from the bottom, that is the spray nozzle, we get the foamed bitumen which can be used on the roads. Now, the use of the foamed bitumen, this new established technology is now increasingly moving into the focus of the road authorities and the construction companies and new construction of the road pavements, as the advantages of the foam bitumen are basically that it has an exceptionally high durability of the layers. It has high economic viability. It actually is useful in saving of the natural resources, and there is a direct reduction of the carbon dioxide emissions. It provides reduction of the construction time as well. With this, we shall stop here. Thank you.